Hello friends, I am Dr. Sachin Jain, Sports and Ligament Injury Specialist from Jaipur. A lot of patients who have following my YouTube channel and a lot of patients who have been treated by me, they ask me, sir, please make a video about neck pain and back pain. So today I am going to talk about neck pain. Neck pain is a very common problem. It is a problem which is universally to every person in this planet. Okay, so a person will have neck or back pain now, or they would have before, or they will have before. So all this scenario is going to happen. This is all because of your wrong posture, wrong sitting habit, the technology which we are using, and the sitting habits and lack of exercises which causes the muscles to become weak in the neck and your back. So what happens is that whenever you sit with the stoop posture. आप बैठते हो नीचे ऐसे, तो completely your neck is completely slouched and your chin is completely out. Your shoulders are drooped and you keep on working on your laptop. So this is a position where you are completely working on this. So this causes a strain in your neck and your trapezius muscle, your back and your lower back. So the problem is not the pain, the problem is your cause of the pain. The cause is your posture. Sitting with the phone. So whenever if you see a phone, if you're doing like this and you keep on typing like this, so what happens is that your neck is completely down. So when your neck is straight, you have no problem. But when it becomes 10 degrees of flexion, there is 4 pounds of weight on your neck. 20 degree 8 pounds, 30 degree 12 pounds, and 40 degree it is 16 pounds of your weight which is going on your neck. So over a period of time, with years of working, okay, because you have chose a profession, years of working, 8 hours, 10 hours in the same position, we keep on doing, the muscles are not getting worked up, no exercises, no working, no moving around. This starts to give up, the nerve starts to stretch, the disc inside gets, they beg, please don't strain me more, and your body will start keeping on doing this. You will keep on doing this, that I should stretch my muscles, stretch my back, stretch my neck. This is a body giving you warning, please get up, please go around, please don't pressurize me more, otherwise it is going to cause a lot of trouble to me. And it happens after that you have continuous pain. Before you used to able to sit 2 hours, now you're sitting only for 15 minutes. After that you have a little bit of pain, then you have a radiculopathy in your hand, you have sensations loss, you feel like your hands are getting numb or you get tired completely. Sleeping habits is also very important. When you sleep, if you don't put a pillow in your neck gets extended and your nerve gets stretched. If you don't keep a thick pillow, then your head is down, then this side of your neck is completely stretched and the nerves are stretched. Night time you can have sensory loss. You feel like getting your hand becomes numb. You wake up from the sleep and then over a period of time then again the sensations come back. Why does this happen? Because the neck and the spinal cord or the vertebrae which is there, the nerves which goes through this, whenever your neck falls down, the nerves get pinched between these two vertebrae, and whenever there is pinching, there is a lot of loss of nerve supply, and your hand becomes numb. Whenever you wake up, the pinching goes off and your strength again comes back. So please, if you want to get it treated, there are medicines, there is surgeries, all those things, but I would say prevention and precaution and posture, taking care of your posture is very important to treat this problem rather than medicines, because medicines is only for the symptom relief. Till the point you take your medicines, the pain and the symptoms will come down. But as soon as you start again getting back to your old habits, you are again going to cause this problem again. So how to do that? So whenever you sit, try sitting with your buttocks touched to the back of the chair, your scapula bone to the back of the chair like this. Okay, so whenever you do this, your back is completely straight. Your computer or screen has to be above the eye level, so you do have to look at the screen up. Your keyboard or keypad, it has to be down here. Your shoulders has to be completely supported. So this is a good position where you have a good maintenance of your posture and you can work for a longer duration and longer time. How much time you should sit, that is up to you to answer and your body to answer. If you have stretching and this, that time you have to get up. Over a period of time, you need to do strengthening exercises of your neck, your back, your muscles to get protected and posture to be protected, and over a period of time these muscles will get stronger and your pain will also come down. You should start with a hobby or a sports activity like a table tennis or badminton or running or jogging to keep your alignment good and your muscles good. So over a period of time, this pain will not come back again and again, and you will not live in pain. Practically, patients come to me who have been living in this pain for years together, for 20 years, 15 years. It has been a part of their life. For back pain is also the same precaution. You should not, bend down and sit. bending activity. If you want to get something, you have to squat properly and then pick it up, or ask someone to pick it up for you. Whenever you get up from the bed, you have to go to one side, bend your knee, and then go in a sideways position while getting up from the bed. Straight up getting also causes pressure on your back. Whenever you sit supported. Chair is for sitting, bed is for sleeping. So you should take care that you should not sit on the bed. Most of the patients will sit on the bed and take their laptop and start working on them. So whenever you're sitting, sit on the chair with the back completely supported straight and sit like this. Even if your car, keep your back rest straight, completely back, and sit, and then you drive. So that is a good position for sitting. Bed is for sleeping. You should not sit on the bed. Sofa is very bad. Sofa causes slouching of your back. That causes more pressure on your lower back. That will cause pain. So definitely all this scenario, plus clinical examination, if you have pain, if you have sensory loss, how much it is, how much sensations have been lost, how much pain is there when we lift up your leg, that would be the criteria to define how much days of medicines you take. MRI will show some amount of tear, some amount of problem, but if it is not too much, then there is no need for surgery. But if it is completely bulged and completely extruded, and if it is completely blocking the nerve, then we might have to remove that disc, and we need to do it by a spine specialist. So definitely I hope this video will help all people in the world to get back their posture right, to take care of their back and neck. That will help over a period of time to maintain the things properly and not the pain to come again and again, and live a pain-free and a happy life. Thank you so much.